Have a great day, dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliajam School and College, Munshirat, Phulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home, doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. Dear students of class 8 and 10, I have a class for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliajam School and College. Dear students of class 8-10, this class is paid for you. Let's move on to our today's class. Dear students, can you guess something about the sentences? Here are two sentences, different types of sentence. Number 1, you will prosper in life. Number 2, may you prosper in life. Can you guess something? Our today's topics is based on these sentences. Oh yes, you have rightly guessed that our today's topic's name is changing sentences, assertive to optative. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about assertive and optative sentences and solve the problem of that. First of all, we have to know what is assertive sentence. Definition of assertive or declarative sentence. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence ends with a period, I mean full stop. Assertive sentences can be either affirmative or negative. Pattern: subject plus verb plus object plus or complement or adverb or adjective. For example, English is my favorite language. It's affirmative. They do not do bad things. It's negative. Everybody should know English. It's modal auxiliaries. Optative sentence. The sentence which expresses a prayer, keen wish, curse, etc. is called an optative sentence. This kind of sentence generally starts with may and wish. Sometimes may remains hidden. Sentence pattern: may plus assertive. For examples, may you live long. May Allah bless you. Wish you all the best. Long live Bangladesh can be formed without may. Now let's see how to change assertive to optative sentence. Structure: may plus subject plus verb. God bless us all. It's assertive sentence. According to structure, first of all you have to write may. then subject. Here God is subject plus verb, bless is verb, and rest of the sentence remain as it is. So our sentence will be, may God bless us all. Bangladesh will prosper. If you find will in an assertive sentence, then you have to exclude it from the sentences. Just you have to write may first, then subject Bangladesh, and rest of the sentence remain as it is. May Bangladesh prosper. Another example, Tanish will live long. Accordingly, may Tanish live long. I wish, desire, hope that Rudra will be happy. If you find I wish, desire, hope that in an assertive sentence, just you have to exclude it from the sentences. Just you have to write may first, then subject Rudra, and you have to exclude will in the same sentence. Just you have to write may Rudra be happy. I wish that good morning. Here good morning is a direct wish. If you find I wish that in an assertive sentence, just you have to exclude it from the sentences. Just you have to write direct wish good morning. Long live Tunna. If you find long live in an assertive sentence and mind it, long live change into live long in an optative sentence. Just you have to write may first, then subject live long. Evaluation. What we have learned today. Dear students, tell me what is that as assertive sentence? Thank you, you're right. Another one, what is optative sentence? Yes, you are also right. Thank you. Tell me another one. Long live our president. Change it into optative sentence. Oh yes, thanks again. You are also right. Homework. Now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is change the sentences as directed. I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Bangladesh prospered day by day. Make it optative. Long live the king. Make it optative. Allah will bless them. Make it optative. Mother wish that good morning. Make it also optative. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, best wishes, good luck, and thank you.